Hey guys, it's Kyle coming to you again with a follow-up video to the last one that I had put out with regard to comparing the 2018 and 2019 Mazda 3 key fobs. I had a comment to that video asking if I could show how the keys opened up to replace the battery and also what type of battery it has inside. So let's do that. I have the key fob right here. I figured out it's a little bit easier to take the key out than I had initially demonstrated. So basically this slider right here, if you just hold the key upside down, slide that slider right there, push it, pops off the door here, and then it comes right off. So that's nice and easy. So we take out the key here, and then the next step is we're going to take off this bottom panel right here. So there's a couple very small clips in there, and you might want to use a tool, but from what I found, if you just give it a little pressure, it comes right off like that. So then you're left with an opening like this. Now right here, there's a bit of an opening. So I found I kind of just stick my nail in there and pop that open a little bit. And then from there, I can use the key. So I put the key inside and basically pop this cover off. So you've got the key open like that. And then right here, as this little arrow demonstrates here, you kind of just push this right up, and then you're able to remove that cover there. So it looks like the battery inside is a standard 2032 Panasonic battery. That's standard, but I'm sure you can use any brand. So that's pretty much how you do it. And then you would just pop out that battery using a little screwdriver, whatever you got. But yeah, just for demonstration purposes, I don't need to remove that right now. So to put it all back together, just slide this back in like that, pop the cover back on. The Mazda cover goes back on like that and just clips into place. This one here, we just have to align it so you have your little tabs up toward the open part. Just like that, and then the cover goes back on like that. So that's pretty much how you do it. It's pretty easy. Yeah, that's how you change the battery on the new 2019 Mazda 3 key fob. There you go.